Hey everyone! Do you ever wonder if the Hamster Project is really worth your time and effort? Today we're diving into everything you need to know about Hamster and clearing up some major questions surrounding it, like the issue of banning, the cheat cards, and what's coming in Season 2. Plus, we'll talk about the big event today, the end of mining and what it means for you. Let's get started. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Now imagine you're scrolling through your Hamster profile. You see the cheat card, something a lot of people have been worried about. If it's still active on your account, don't stress. I'm here to tell you that the cheat card doesn't mean you'll be banned. There might be some deductions like a 5%, 10%, or maybe 20% cut, but only from specific parts of your earnings, like from keys, not your total balance. So relax, you're not losing your entire profit. Now let's tackle the big question on everyone's mind. What's happening today? It's September 20th, and Hamster is taking a snapshot of everyone's data. No, this doesn't mean the end of mining, and it definitely doesn't mean the project is over. The snapshot is simply to record all your earnings, referrals, and video views, everything you've done so far in Hamster. This data is crucial for calculating your final airdrop reward. But mining? That's going to continue in Season 2, just with some new methods. They'll keep your data safe, and it will be used to determine your exact airdrop allocation. After that, the real profits begin. So how much are we actually going to make from Hamster? This is where things get a bit tricky. I want to be real with you. Don't believe everything you hear online. Some people say you'll earn thousands of dollars, but the truth is, it's more modest. I've been working on this for about 2 months and have around 5 million profit per hour. If you're pulling in over 6 or 7 million an hour, you're looking at an estimate of about $200 to $300. It's not bad, but it's far from the thousands some might promise. Here's another key point. 60% of Hamster's total supply is supposed to go to the community. However, we don't know if all 60% will be distributed in Season 1 or if some will roll over to Season 2. So while mining continues, a good chunk of that community portion could still be up for grabs in the next season. It's this uncertainty that makes it hard to pin down exact numbers, but I'm optimistic that Hamster will keep delivering. Now, let's look ahead. The team has said that after the snapshot today, they'll be updating us on all the details by September 26th, when the token is set to list. If Hamster's core team is transparent, and they've shown signs they are, we'll see everything laid out clearly. At that point, we'll know how much we're getting, and when we can trade our tokens on various platforms. In conclusion, while Hamster won't make you a millionaire overnight, it's still a solid project with potential. The important thing is to stay patient, keep your expectations in check, and be ready for what's coming after the snapshot. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. It will be very important during this period. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.